Good morning, everyone. I know that I said I was gonna do Vlogmas. Honestly, I just got really tired. The Omicron variant just popped out of nowhere. It's cold, it's dark, PTSD. What's gonna happen? Who knows? We'll find out. The collective is tired, so my body just needed to rest. And I've gotten a lot of sleep, so I feel pretty well rested now. I'm gonna still try to post as much as I can and just see where it goes from there. All right, anyway, I thought it'd be really fun to do your mom's holiday house tour because we do have some different things going on here, starting with the tree.
Earlier that week when I was not on my period.
I'm working my magic right now.
This looks really good. Why is your shirt off?
Now, how do we get up there?
That is the question. Ow! You impaled me!
A perfect tree. I've never seen such a perfect tree. This is the most perfect tree I've ever seen in my life. Hey, why are you filming me? Get candy cane.
I don't know.
I don't know. Get candy cane. Are you impressed, Anne-Marie?
Yeah, I wish I got you guys getting it.
You're going. Damn. Really, just one shot? Amazing. It's all broken.
Elliot did all the decorating. He and Kelly somehow just threw the lighting up the tree. I actually missed that part. I heard it, but I didn't see it. I would love to try to get some fairy lights year round so that we just have the vibes, cozy vibes, but I love the tree. This is by far the biggest tree I've ever really even seen in a household, so that was really fun. We have a single ornament. Your mom Ashley's mom called your mom Ashley's mom, gave us an ornament which is adorable. Shout out to your mom Ashley's mom. Our single ornament, it has our pictures together with New York. I think Kelly wrote this and then I did the little outside. It really was just speaking to me. I needed to frame it. Amber is here. My twin, Amber, is here right now. She's amazing. She's like my twin. The kitchen is pretty interesting because my roommates get PR packages or treats for the holidays. We have a lot of goodies right now. None of them are mine, but everyone shares their cookies, so I benefit. Still delicious. Oh, these were super good. Not this one, but this brand of cookie that Elliot got in the mail. Oh my god. Elliot and your mom's house was sent this by Carrot? I don't remember. But these were all really, really cool chocolates that looked really cool. So we're all tired because we keep eating a bunch of sugar and then getting a sugar high and then crashing. So that's why I couldn't post Vlogmas. More cookies. Some pears. We have random things. Yeah, what is this? What did I get? Oh, that's our fire extinguisher from when Elliot was cooking.
Earlier that week. Earlier that week. Why can't I say it? Earlier that week.
Oh!
That was tough.
Watch my last vlog if you are confused. This, let's open this. Oh yeah. Okay, this is my copyright hoodie. This is a large. We took pictures. I was actually wearing a medium, which is already pretty oversized. Very oversized, but this is my favorite of Elliot's copyright sweaters. These two are my favorite. I'll put the website link below. You can use code Anne-Marie and get 15% off your copyright order. Some candy canes. And we just have a lot of snacks around here this season. And Elliot's little pillow. We have organized our soju. Creative Juice gave us this label to put on this cup. We've filled out our wall. Whenever I film this, you can't actually like really see it from the glare. Maybe that's a good thing. I don't know. That's pretty much it. That's what we got for the holidays.
Okay, well, maybe that wouldn't work then to do this idea. I don't know how long this week. Oh, it's right there.
This is a really funny angle for some reason.
When everyone got home.
Oh, just what we need.
Another thing.
Hey.
Oh yeah. My favorite mode of transportation in the house. Woo! Woo!
Oh, goody. Wow, you're good at that, dude. You already know how to do that?
Yeah, I grew up riding.
Oh, wow.
Look, I can do tricks on it. Kelly. Holy fuck! I almost died. I used to be slick with it. Very much it.
Oh, what? What the heck?
That's right.
I like how it sounds.
Right?
ASMR.
It's very agile.
It's like a slithery snake.
So agile, like that. You turn the corners. Of it.
Wow. Oh! Oh!
Who is it?
Who is it? The door just opened, no one there. Hello, Grinch.
Look at my vehicle! Look at my vehicle! Oh, nice. Yeah, that's right. Speed test this. Bitch.
Whoa!
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 Yay, new toy!
You.
Watch this.
I love how you the little shake. Woo! The wiggle. Whoa!
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
I like to see you try. For you?
Oh. What did I get?
Here, my turn.
That.
My turn.
Now we can go to the skate park and the wreck on kids.
Dude, I can wreck on the kids so hard.
Bought himself a Christmas gift.
We should all just buy ourselves
Oh, yeah?
our own Christmas gifts.
Dude, that?
That is pretty impressive.
Dude, I was a ripstick god. Wow. What the fuck is he doing?
This is how you do it, man. This is how you ripstick.
Dude, what is he doing? Oh, wait, we should get some more of those. Those are fun.
All back.
Dude, it's so slow. I didn't realize how slow it was. Like, you had to pump that shit.
Curve, dude. Curve, man. These are so interesting. Like, who came up with this?
I don't know. Also, the first person ride that was probably like, this shit is hard as fuck.
Dude, I remember going down like hills with this and just like, it's so deadly.
Now everybody is at home.
Hello! Who are you?
I'm Amber.
Emma! My twin!
Sister!
My twin! My twin!
Okay, you go, like, if you say back, that's
My
right.
back.
Your back.
My back.
Wait.
Back, front.
Hey guys, I
Hi.
got something for you called bagels.
Yay!
You want to take control? One of us?
Yeah, I take control.
Tandem ripstick.
No, we got it.
Hard.
Get on.
Get
Can
on!
we get more space?
Come on. Put your foot
How
on.
about the stick up here?
Yeah. Well, let me go in between. In between.
Oh, you're so sketchy as fuck.
God damn it. This is what we're good at, man. And if you can't do this.
He's gone.
Anne-Marie,
I'm hungry.
this is... No. This is for you.
Bagel.
Oh!
That was so close.
What does it mean? That's so
Uno mas.
funny. Elliot is a meme.
Hey, did you leave?
Ooh.
Are you a sidewalk surfer?
Okay, that was it. That's all you got.
The end. The end. The end.